everyone, welcome or welcome back on my YouTube channel. I am Gonai, and in today's video we're back for another DIY, and today's DIY is going to be a fishnet jar. I'm pretty sure you've seen that already somewhere on the internet. Personally, I've seen that on the Lone Fox YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description if you want to check his YouTube channel. But yeah, this DIY looks so insanely simple yet so cool that I wanted to give this a shot. And I'm super excited in this video because I'm planning to give this DIY that I will realize to one of you guys. So if you're interested, that's super simple. You just have to tell me in the comments that you want this jar and I'll contact you to figure out stuff with you. Of course, it's totally free. You won't have anything to pay. If you missed it or if you're not so interested into this, don't worry. From time to time I shall do DIYs and I shall propose them to you guys if you are interested. So yeah, I kind of want to give you some gifts as well. Hey, it's Gunay from the future. I quickly wanted to inform you that you have until the 10th of February of the year 2023 if you are interested. In the meantime, enjoy the video. Another great point of this DIY is that you don't need that much stuff to create this. So let's dive in what you need for this DIY. You'll basically need a jar, of course. You don't even need to have this because I'm not going to use this and he didn't neither. You'll also need that kind of threads here and of course a pair of scissors and some glue. And that's it. That's all what you need. That was quick, right? In this DIY, in my opinion, the main difficulty would be to figure out the length of the threads because it will all depend on the size of your jar, so you'll have to adapt pretty much. But for the rest, it's gonna be super easy. Let's see. Okay, so let's start. First step, we need to figure out the length of our 8 threads because you shall need 8 of these. We're going to glue them at the bottom. I think it will be good like this. And this will become the tool for me to measure all the other threads. So we need 8 threads like this. So let's do it. Follow along like this. And then you cut it. It's super simple. Okay, so now that I have my 8 threads, it's time to start this. What we're gonna do is we're going to glue them all around like this. Think of branches of a star, like one here, one here, one here, one here, and some in between. I hope I'm being clear, but I'm going to show you and maybe it's going to be easier for you to understand. For every thread, make sure you glue them from the bottom of the jar until approximately this far. Because after we're going to switch direction from this part here. And you do the same thing for all 8 threads. So let's do this. Okay, so now we're gonna do the little knots all around. here's how it looks like. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to glue these threads all around like this for this one, and on the other side for the other one, and apply the same concept with all of them. And then I'll be back for the final results. And this is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it made you want to give this a try. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a little thumb up. I'm really grateful for your support. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm planning to do plenty of other stuff on this. And I'm also planning to share many things that I like. And as always, thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, sharing everything, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.